Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. The wait is over. The price line is breaking out the resistance of this longest down channel. Right now you can see that Bitcoin is breaking out, and in today's video we will analyze is this a fake out or this move to the upside will be continued. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and this is the longest time period the price line has been moving in this down channel. You can see that it entered here at the start of November, and right now it is breaking out at the start of February, and we are above the resistance of this down channel and also above the resistance of this EMA 21 on the daily time frame. And this is very strongest resistance we have here, the price level resistance of $39,600, and we are also breaking out that price level resistance as well. Now I would be waiting for a bull cross between the EMA 10 and EMA 21. Previously, we can see that this EMA 10 on the daily time frame went very close to EMA 21 but did not cross it up. Here, it again moved up very close to the EMA 21 but did not cross it up. And previously, whenever we have received this bull cross, like whenever the EMA 10 has crossed up the EMA 21, this smaller time frame moving average has crossed up this bigger time frame moving average, we had nice rallies towards the upside. We can watch here, we can watch here as well. And previously when we had this bull cross here, that was a really very big rally when we received here in the month of October 2020. So once this EMA 10 will cross up the EMA 21, that will be another confirmation for the breakout. However, on the 4-hourly time frame, we are closed above this resistance of the down channel, and now we are having another continuation candle. Now there is a critical thing on the chart, and that is if we take a look at this RSI oscillator on the daily time frame, then there is a bearish divergence. As we can see that the RSI is forming another higher than previous high, but so far price line is not able to do so. And this is a hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. But if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here we can see that oscillator, the RSI has formed a lower than previous low, but the price line has formed higher low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Therefore, it is possible that soon this hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame will be removed soon. And I'm expecting once we will receive this bull cross between the EMA 10 and EMA 21, then we will have a powerful rally, and the price line can soon set another higher than previous high, and this bearish divergence, the hidden bearish divergence, can be removed from the chart. You can see that both moving averages are really very close to each other once again. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, yes, here we had a fake out to the downside. We had a fake out here on 24th of January. Then we had another fake out here to the downside on 3rd Feb, and right now the price line has broken out the resistance of the same triangle which the price line broke down twice. Right now we are breaking out this 100, sorry, this is not a 100, this is a 200 4-hourly moving average. That is also very strong resistance as well, and you can see right now the price line is struggling to break it out. Now, as in my a few hours back, I shared a video. I told you that this 50 simple moving average is moving up, and 200 simple moving average is moving down to form a bull cross. And we have already seen whenever these bull crosses or the golden crosses have appeared on this 4-hourly time frame, then these golden crosses have changed completely the trend of the Bitcoin from down to uptrend. We have received this golden cross here, and the trend was completely changed. And before that, we received the bull cross here, and the trend was completely changed. This time we are going to receive this bull cross. You can see that both moving averages are moving towards each other, and we have also broken out this resistance of a very big down channel. So therefore, soon we can see that the trend will be changed. However, there is a bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Therefore, we can expect a pullback. It is possible that the price line will have a pullback and retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and then it will start the next move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.